Einleitung. Dental implants are a popular solution for those who have missing teeth or need to replace damaged teeth. They offer a permanent and natural-looking option for restoring a smile and improving oral health. However, the cost of dental implants can vary significantly depending on where you live. In this article, we will compare the cost of dental implants in Europe versus Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to get this procedure done. Preise fa ein Viertel der Zahnimplantate in Europa. In Europe, the cost of dental implants can be quite expensive. In countries like Germany, the average cost of a single dental implant can range from A1,000 to A3,000. This cost does not include any additional procedures that may be needed, such as bone grafting or a sinus lift, which can add to the overall cost. In countries like the UK, the cost of dental implants can be even higher, with prices ranging from upfront 1,000 to upfront 3,000 per implant. Preise fa ein Viertel der Zahnimplantate in der Viertlerkei. In recent years, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism, thanks to its high-quality dental care at a fraction of the cost compared to European countries. In Turkey, the cost of a single dental implant can range from A500 to A1,500, making it a much more affordable option for those looking to get dental implants. The lower cost of dental implants in Turkey does not mean you are compromising on quality. Many dental clinics in Turkey are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and experienced dental professionals. Vergleich der Kosten. When comparing the cost of dental implants between Europe and Turkey, it's clear that Turkey offers a more cost-effective option for those looking to get dental implants. Not only are the prices lower in Turkey, but many clinics also offer package deals that include accommodation and transportation, making it a convenient and affordable option for international patients. Additionally, the lower cost of living in Turkey allows dental clinics to offer competitive prices without compromising on quality. Vorteile der Zahnimplantate in der Viertlerkei. In addition to the cost savings, there are many other benefits to getting dental implants in Turkey. Many dental clinics in Turkey offer English-speaking staff, making it easy for international patients to communicate with their dental professionals. The high standard of care in Turkish dental clinics is also a major advantage, as many clinics are accredited by international organizations and adhere to strict hygiene and safety standards. Additionally, the scenic beauty of Turkey makes it a great destination for combining dental treatment with a relaxing holiday. Fazit. Overall, the cost of dental implants in Turkey is significantly lower than in Europe, making it a popular choice for those looking to save money on dental treatment. With its high standard of care, affordable prices, and convenient location, Turkey is a great option for those considering dental implants. Whether you choose to get dental implants in Europe or Turkey, it's important to research and compare prices to find the best option for your budget and needs.